Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. I am Fauzan and I would like to share some knowledge that I learned that is significant to us. Did you know that European population was half by epidemic of smallpox, typhus and particularly plague? That was how chaotic the world was before antibiotics were first discovered. Antibiotics are powerful drugs that help our bodies ward off disease caused by bacteria if they are used properly. According to Jerry White, a scientific director of the Michael D. Groot Institute of Infectious Disease Research and chair of Department of Biochemistry, antibiotics are arguably the most important drugs discovered in 20th century. Not only does it treat infectious disease, but it also enables clinical procedures such as cancer, chemotherapy and surgery. However, antibiotics can be a disadvantage for mankind if they are misused or overused. I surely believe that antibiotics can do more harm than the good if they are not consumed right. I believe so, as I have done some research on this issue, which includes reading journal and articles relating to this topic. Overusing antibiotics can lead to antibiotic resistance and heart issue. First and foremost, taking antibiotics, you do not need increase the chance of contracting of an infection that is caused by bacteria that are antibiotic resistant. A growing number of infections such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, gonorrhea, and salmonellosis are becoming harder to treat as the antibiotic used to treat them become less effective. According to scientific journal title, tuberculosis resistant to isoniazid and rifampin, published in 1993, it was reported that patients with tuberculosis are resistant to isoniazid and rifampin, which succumb to the best treatment available, and that failure to obscure this resistance will end in high mortality rates and a gloomy reality for the public. Moreover, Center for Disease Center and Prevention (CDC) have reported an estimated amount of 2.8 billion antibiotic-resistant infections occurring in the United States of America in 2017, an estimated amount of 35,000 people have died as a result. Next, overusing antibiotics also cause some heart-related problems. A medical review in 2019 from Associate Prof. Dr. Lee N. Anderson, which specialized in drug information, stated that nausea, loss of appetite, and fungal vaginal infection or oral thrush are among the side effects of taking unnecessary antibiotic. This is because antibiotic can kill large number of the normal bacteria, altering the delicate balance among the various species. Antibiotic eliminates so many of the bowel goods harmless bacteria that the aggressive bad ones are free to multiply out of control. Researchers also have tied cases of colon to cancer antibiotic misuse. Moving forward, I hope that the misuse of antibiotic will decrease so that everyone can be medically safe. It is undeniable that antibiotics are helpful for the human body, but unnecessary consumption will cause medical issues like antibiotic resistance and heart problem. Thank you.